Think about the sheer scale of 100 million people using a tool that your closest friends have probably never mentioned. That is the current status of BiP Messenger. It is a communications giant that stays mostly out of the Western spotlight. It offers a suite of tools that makes the standard apps feel a bit basic. The standout is definitely the emergency button. If you are in a dangerous situation, one tap sends your precise location to 10 different people. It uses the app and a standard text message simultaneously to ensure the word gets out. That is a level of personal security you do not see in every chat app. The service is completely free. It supports high-definition video calls for up to 15 people. It even features a built-in translation engine for over 100 different languages. For a world that is more connected than ever, this seems like the ultimate solution. However, the reality of the situation is much more complex. All of the data is stored on servers located in Turkey. This is a deliberate move away from the massive tech corporations that usually dominate our digital lives. But there is a major trade-off. The software is not open source. This means that no independent security professional can actually audit the code to see if it is truly secure. You are essentially taking the company at its word. Security experts have been raising flags about this lack of transparency for a long time. If you cannot see how the encryption works, you cannot be entirely sure it is working for you. There are also some very strange user experiences that people have documented. Some users get random notifications for food recipes they never asked for. It is a weird bit of bloat for an app that markets itself on utility. Even more concerning is the difficulty of switching devices. There are many accounts of people being locked out of their messages for days when they get a new phone. That is a long time to be silent in a fast-moving world. Then there is the big reveal regarding the translation feature. It is incredibly convenient to chat in many different languages. But the fine print in the privacy policy shows that these messages are actually processed by the very tech giants many users are trying to avoid. If you turn on translation, your data is being handed over to external companies. It creates a massive hole in the privacy shield the app claims to provide. In regions like the Middle East and Turkey, this app is the king of communication. It works where others might fail. If you have family or business in those areas, it is a fantastic tool to have in your pocket. But if your main goal is pure and auditable privacy, you have to look at the facts. You're choosing between a set of great features and a closed system that refuses to be inspected. The truth is always more interesting than the marketing material on the download page. It is a solid app for certain needs, but you must be aware of the compromises you are making when you sign up. Being informed is the only way to truly stay secure in a digital world that is constantly watching. It really comes down to what you value more, the convenience of advanced tools or the certainty of total privacy. One thing is for certain, the messaging world is much bigger than just the 2 or 3 apps we see every day on the charts.